Well, good morning, guys. Happy, I guess it's actually Tuesday. It ain't Monday. We are getting ready to go trucking. I have to run down. Fireball is out of commission at the moment, so I have to run down and I put my stuff in the old man's truck. And because the plan was originally for me to drive his truck this week, but we are changing plans. We're going to go meet Billy up in St. Louis and go from there to Michigan, I guess. Yeah, Michigan, I think is where we're going. So, come along. Let my wife drive my truck a week or two, and I don't even know if I can get a guy in the passenger seat. Jeez. Alright, gotta get my stuff. Most importantly, the Porta Pooper 9000. My gloves and all that fun stuff. Yeah, Billy's over there getting unloaded. I'm gonna get my stuff ready to go so we can get rolling as soon as we can. All right, we're home for a couple days, I guess. Goes Billy and Rocky, and I'm gonna head over and get my load going up to Michigan. A good time to figure out. Just realized I left my gloves in the pickup truck. Oh well, I'll buy me a pair out here on the road, I guess. Might be weird, but I don't like the texture of the straps or chains, for a matter of fact. But luckily Billy had some extra gloves underneath the seat that I found, so they have some holes in them, but they'll work. I guarantee you, there's some truck driver on that plane right there going, what an idiot down there strapping in this. I'm going on vacation. I ain't going nowhere. Well, we've made it to our home for tonight. Pretty sure we're delivering over there where that excavator is. We've delivered to this job site before. I guess they kind of changed it up a little bit, so we'll go in there and deliver in the morning. Good stuff. Debating on if I want to eat what Billy's got left in the refrigerator or go in. Looks like there's a Bob Evans across the road. I like Bob Evans. This place has a beer cave. I don't really drink beer, but they do have a cave, and I'm kind of a caveman. Homeboy parked right up on me and won't even get in and out of his side of the truck. See what all Billy left for me to eat in here. So we got some bratwurst in here. We got some constipation blocks in here, it looks like. Constipation slices. We got pepperonis. You see, he has some bratwurst in here. Yeah, bratwurst there. There's the bratwurst. There you go. Jalapeno cheddar bratwurst. Got some pizza sticks. So you threw some of them away. There you go. Get to bed already. The old sleeping bag. Everything's getting a workout. Used it this weekend, used it this week. Get a good washing, nice and clean. Smells decent. I was gonna wash my pillow, but when I took it out of the case, it was disintegrating, so I got a new pillow. This sleeping bag is green, matches the green truck. I really am thinking about walking over to Bob Evans and get me something to eat. Billy's got plenty of food to eat, but really thinking about Bob Evans. Down on the farm, yum. I'll put my hay dudes on. We're gonna go over there to Bobby Evans. Bobby knows how to make a good salad. Ain't no fancy power window on this side. Roll that sucker up. Here, grab my coat. It's cold out. A little chilly, not real cold. The old brown bag special. Let's go back across the road. Probably against my better judgment, I had to get me some nanner bread. My wife was supposed to make me some the other day. Had a bunch of nanners, and she didn't make me no nanner bread. I like me a good nanner bread.